not so deafening today. Cicadas are, I can hear a few cicadas, like our normal ones, but the really loud ones, I can't hear them at all. Might be done with them. Alright folks, so as you can tell here, going through a tunnel right now, so you really can't. As you can tell though, my kit, kind of colorful, orange, yellow, greenish. This is a kit from Pactimo. Pactimo. P-A-C-T-I-M-O. And I became a Pactimo ambassador a couple of years back, maybe a year or two ago. I thought it was going to be more like when I was a Mountain House ambassador, you know, where I kind of have assignments and, you know, do some advertising here and there and stuff like that. But it's more like they chose several thousand people to be ambassadors and just kind of promote their gig and everything. So I'm not really an active ambassador. I bought this kit and I had a deal, and I have promoted them. So definitely want to kind of promote them. You can't buy this kit unless you're an ambassador. And I think it's been updated to the 2024. But you can buy kits like it that are super comfortable. It's made in America. Good material, good sizing if you use the size charts. Lasts for a long time. I would say it's a premium kit. A little bit more expensive, but you can find deals. And it's really good. It lasts for a while, and it's just really really good stuff. So Pactimo.com. I don't have a code or anything. I probably do somewhere, but you know, maybe you can find a deal code on the internet. And if I for some reason I remember to put a code, I'll put one in the description. But this is a cool kit. Feels great. This particular one is great for summer. It's brightly colored, so you know that dark tends to make you sweat more. And it's thin, so feels really good. Right now it's like 90 degrees, so it's comfortable. It's bibs and thin jersey. So yeah, here's a shout out to Pactimo. Haven't given them a shout out much lately, and since I guess I'm still an ambassador, really. If I'm not, you know, I should at least shout them out anyway, because they're a great group, great clothing company, for bike apparel company, and they do a lot for the cycling community. I'm a big dude as far as height goes, but I even got kind of a belly. You know, I kind of got a big belly. I don't do a whole lot of upper workouts, and I eat like sweets. So, you know, I do have a belly, but one thing about me is it's like pure power in my lower body, and that's where I make up. I might not be the strongest upper body, but man, my lower body's pure freaking power. You know, I can hike really good, run if I tried. Maybe not really good, I need more practice. But I can bike really, really well. Going across Breeden Trestle. Would have had my camera 2 going, but these older GoPros, that's a GoPro 10. The one I'm using right now is a 12. The older ones kind of glitch. You gotta hold the power button down, all that stuff. Eventually I'll get another 12, make it camera 2. But, or I'll get a 13 when it comes out and this be camera 2. Got several GoPros. I need to start utilizing more of them. But squirrel jump scared me. No, I didn't crash. I had to stop to meet a friend. Hey friend, you're cute. I just wanted to come say hi. You're hanging out on the trail alone and I felt like you could use a little bit of company. How you doing? You're pretty cool, dude. Look at the shell. Looks like little turtles. If you look at it just right, that's like a face of a turtle coming out of the shell. That's funny. Can't be all just riding. Gotta be able to get off the bike and enjoy a turtle every now and then. Tunnel. Almost left the light at home. Glad I didn't. Don't worry, I'm not trained.